Self-virtual patching, real-time protection without downtime. A vulnerability is found. Traditional patching takes days. Self-virtual patching takes seconds. Cyber threats never sleep. And the window between discovering a vulnerability and applying a patch? That's exactly when hackers strike. Traditional patching works like this. A vulnerability is identified, a security patch is developed, tested, and then manually applied to affected systems. This process takes time, sometimes days or weeks. During that gap, your network is exposed. Self-virtual patching changes everything. It's an automated cybersecurity mechanism that proactively addresses vulnerabilities in real time. The moment a threat is detected in the intrusion prevention system database, a virtual shield is deployed instantly, no waiting, no manual intervention. Here's how it works. First, the IPS detects a new vulnerability using continuously updated threat intelligence. Then, the self-virtual patching mechanism activates automatically, placing a protective layer over the vulnerable area. The virtual patch is applied in real time without system downtime, without manual work, without delays. Although the vulnerability technically exists, hackers cannot exploit it. The NGFW is already fortified. The virtual patch remains active until the official software patch is deployed, ensuring continuous protection throughout. Why does this matter? First, zero downtime. Traditional patching requires scheduled maintenance windows and system restarts. Self-virtual patching works silently in the background while business operations continue uninterrupted. Second, reduced manual maintenance. Cybersecurity teams no longer need to work around the clock, monitoring and applying patches manually. The automation frees resources for strategic tasks. Third, significant cost savings. No expensive maintenance contracts, no consulting fees for manual patching, leaner cybersecurity teams. The savings add up fast. Fourth, real-time proactive defense. In cybersecurity, every second counts. Self-virtual patching eliminates the dangerous gap between detection and protection, addressing vulnerabilities instantly. As cyber threats evolve, reactive security measures are no longer sufficient. Businesses need proactive solutions that detect and prevent threats without disrupting operations. Self-virtual patching represents a paradigm shift in network security, empowering organizations to stay one step ahead of attackers. At Teldot, we combine next-generation firewalls with self-virtual patching to create powerful 24/7 defense systems that save time and money. Ready to close the vulnerability gap? Check the link in the description.